A few days later, some crew members leave due to seasickness. Once the crew settles in our vessel, we inform the health department and maintain their health cards. We have been following this practice for many years. Thanks to doctors' guidance and precaution, none of our crew members are currently sick. We don't allow any of our vessels to go to Kudmana because there is a bigger outbreak. Chishini Health acknowledged the number of cases of acute diarrheal disease from our jokers have come down drastically. And for the few days, we have no cases reported from South Goa district. We also acknowledge that
and as far as these two ladies are concerned, this slab would be unused. The slab would be unused. They are not using it. To do the Dhamata, and they keep on with the other because of one of the reasons instead. And the government under Visual Department put one and JTR. And they have required 35,000 square meters to meet that jetty. Recently, they have applied 222 more meters. So, all the fishermen can go there. Those outsiders who are coming from other villages to our village. Talking about those two, Al-Siwa and Jokos. So, do we need these two jetties in Kavelusi? They can't go there. Where there is a ample place. 35,000 square meters of land is there. Recently, they have acquired 222 meters more. Today's Goan, if you read today's Goan newspaper, you will come to know. Not only that, they have proposed water pipeline. I think Kudmana also and Mogor also. In 2020. Now we are in 24. No sign of their water pipeline. Because nobody is taking action, nobody is supervising them. Right. It was proposed in 2020. And
गॅरेजीन काम करपाचे फोर्स आहा मागीर फायबर करपाचे पीस आहा सो not only the laborers from the boats but other people are also there so यांचे मनीस रावता म्हणटे जे आता म्हणजे प्रॉपर सॅनिटेशन आसपा जाय तिका ते आहा काय ना ओके हे सारखे चोय बरे आनी आमी सगळे जाणा आमच्या कावलेचो गांव आनी मोबार एरिया चोडांतल्या चोड आमी ट्युरिजमांचे आहा आनी ही काम हांगासर जाती अशी उरली ट्युरिजम आनी फिशिंगाचे सगळ्यांक डिफायन जातलो कित्याक हे ज्यो आमचे मोबार सायड फिशरीज आहा तेंचे पीक सायडीन गेले विचार कोण वता वयता सगळ्यांक खबर कितली घाण आनी कितले येता सो ऑल दीस शुड बी स्टॉप सो आनीक म्हणल्यार आता आमी आमच्या लागीं जस्ट in front of us, in front of our residential houses, there are about 12 houses there. तिंगा ही जी फिशिंग एक्टिविटी जाता ती आमकां भरपूर त्रास जाता आयज आमी म्हणुया हे डेंग्यू आनी कॉलेरा आउटब्रेक जालो तो कुडमोणान हिंग म्हणटा पूण जेन्ना हे लोकल्स ते स्वाती रावतात थंयसर बिकॉज ऑफ दीस बोट रिपेर एक्टिविटी नेक्स्ट टू अस इट इज हार्मिंग अस इन मेनी वेज फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक म्हणल्यार थंयसर ते बोट वयर काडटा वयता आसतना व्हडले तेंचे लॉक्स आसतात ते यू नो बँग आनी ते बँगींग जाता आसतना घराक यू नो इवन द ग्लासीस एंड युटेन्सिल्स दे कितें म्हणून तुका ते हालताय यू नो अटॅक जाते भाशेन देर आर क्रॅक्स डेव्हलप इन द वॉल्स beside that the plinth area of these houses see these houses are
all businesses are illegal सगळे notify सगळे regularize करया starting from the mouth of the river till Kablosi there are jetties I'm not talking only fishing jetties there are other jetties also not सगळे notified आहे जालाचोय सगळे सारखे आहा जालाचोय I'm talking to boat pulling even I was not born no one was born over here that boat pulling exists जाती ना सो तेका तुम्ही जात जाल्यार कितें बरे गायडलायन्स घाल तें बंद कोनाकाय. इट इज मॅटर थिंगा कितें तर जालें आमकां बोटवेर काडपाक मेळना. आमगे बोटी एक बुराक पडला, म्हाका बोटवेर काडूंक मेळना कित्याक इशू आसलो. आमी वयतले बरें, हांव खूब वयतलो, धाकटे बोटी आहाय ते वयतले, वुडन बोट्स आहाय ते वयतले. तो सारकें मानदिता तेजेर प्रेशर पडटा कितें पडटा तें मानदिता. थिंगा कितें गायडलायन्स घाला, कितें प्रिकॉशन्स घे. हें आतांसून ना, तोय जाल्लो आसतलो तेन्नासून तें थिंगा आहा. तो म्हणटा आपण तेजेर पट म्हणना.
It's not correct. I am born in.
Sir, don't cross.
आतां थिंगा तो म्हाका उगडास आसतना तो जालोलो, बट म्हाका खबर ना. आय डोंट नो.
Come to the point. Come to the
हय,
point.
आतां थिंगा तुमी गायडलायन्स घालाय. तुमी आतां रातीको उठ्ठाय चोय डिजी म्हणटी सगळ्या जाता. आतां थिंगा हिंगा फिशरमॅन आहा थिंगा झोपडपट्टी आहा, थिंगाय कॉलेरा डिजीज जावपाक शकता. वॉटर लॉगिंग आहा थिंगा, तेंय चॅक कराय. लिलाको वचोन चोय स्क्रॅप उडयत थिंगाय वॉटर लॉगिंग चान्सीस आहाय. सकयल वचोन चोय तितू थिंगा आफ्टर लिलास थिंगा कितू लँडिंग जातलें सकयल चोय.
See, on mobile side, that we have been able to see better and faster result as compared to outbreak in Kodwana. Since you are dealing with large workforce from diverse backgrounds, we urge you to remain either vigilant to continue to abide with whatever instruction I issued, so that to complete.
If I am not going to survive, what is the use? So don't take this in a wrong way. Jacket and Rosette and Kimbat, we four of us are there, go out, just doing some small business.
So reply. Okay, so we will maintain the right. You give all your views, but we have to make sure that we give a chance to talk to everybody. Might be, huh? Might not go on.
एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी जी ग्रामसभा गेली, पंचायत कॉल्ड फॉर एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी ग्रामसभा, आणि हातून चोयल जाल्यार फायनली एजन्सीज ज्यो आहाय त्यो फंक्शन जायनाय, सरकारा गेल्यो, आनी मागीर प्रेशर विलेज पंचायतीचे येता. बट विलेज पंचायतीचे प्रेशर कित्याक येवपा जाल्लो? जेन्ना हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आहा, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट should have been proactive to ensure that all jetties over Goa, whether notified, not notified, private jetties, but all jetties which are operating, which are running, it is health department's duty to ensure that things सगळे सारखे चलत म्हणून. It is the police's duty to ensure that there is a proper protocol being followed. तेंगे लेबर किती होता है, पुलिस आपल्यागे ड्युटी कोना, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आपल्यागे ड्युटी कोना, फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट आपल्यागे ड्युटी कोना, फिशरीज मिनिस्टर आपल्यागे ड्युटीज कोण गेलो नाही, हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा खबर ना बाबा थिंग प्रोटोकॉल चलता की चलना. आणि हे सगळें जाल म्हणटरी गांवच विलेज पंचायतीचे पेज आटाय. सो फायनली विलेज पंचायत इज एन एजन्सी which will follow protocols within their own parameters. पूण हेल्था दोतोर हाडपा विलेज पंचायतीको दोतोर हाडून बसोवपा जाता? हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट हॅज टू एन्श्योर these things. So somewhere it is a failure of the government. And also I will have a word with the chief minister as well as the health minister. की जात जाल्यार let us get one health officer or some practitioner here, ताकी ताबडतोब हे सगळे सद्या एक हेल्थ चेकअप जावपाक immediate, so that they don't have to go there. At least for the next few days सद्या एक हेल्थ ऑफिसर हाडपा हिंगा, कित टेस्ट करपा जाय ते सगळ्यांगेले कॅर करपा. आय विल इमिडिएटली डू अ कॉल. आय विल सी इफ आय कॅन गेट दिस एक्झिक्युटेड. सो पयलीं सद्या नेक्स्ट कितें जायना जाता. I will also have a word with the chief minister. Tell him about, make sure that proper protocol is put in place. ताकि तांगे जे माना येताय, आम जाण जावपा जाय हे माना येताय ते 1 वर्स 2 वर्स रावूं नाय. कोण 10 दीस रावता, कोण 20 दीस रावता, कोण 30 दीस रावता, आनी चेंज जाताय. सो दे कीप चेंजिंग. सो वेन देर इज अ शॉर्ट दिस ESI आमच्यान रजिस्टर करपा जायना. वी स्पोक टू ESI बिफोर कमिंग हियर. तांकां रजिस्टर करता जाल्यार, बट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट दे परमनंट बाय नेचर, ESI also finds it difficult कितकोन तेंका रजिस्टर करपाचें मेडिकल पर्पजा लागून. सो गव्हर्मेंटान हुंय काय हेजे लक्ष घालना ना. फेलियर ऑफ द फिशरीज मिनिस्टर इज द मेन थिंग हियर. फिशरीज मिनिस्टराक हांवें हेज्या पयलीं असेंब्लींतूय उलयलां, आतांय परत सांगता, ताका कापस्ताद म्हणून ना. आज मोबरा जरी तर हें जालां, हें गोंय हुंय जावपाक शकता आशिल्लें. बिकॉज इट इज हीज फेलियर. ही शूड हॅव इम्प्लिमेंटेड थिंग्स करेक्टली. आजूय तें हें जावपा जाय. आज हांव निमणी चीट म्हूण चोयन येयलो. म्हाका सांगता ही निमणी चीट 3 मिनिस्टरां कोणाकूय येवपा आहा. तितू तूं एक हेल्थ मिनिस्टर फिशरीज मिनिस्टर जाल्या पुरो मागत हांव. 3 मिनिस्टरां निमणी चीट येवपाची आहा. तितू तूं एक फिशरीज मिनिस्टर जाल्या पुरो. आनी एक एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर जाल्या पुरो एक निमणी चेट पावल्या पुरो बिकॉज हेंगे एक बिहेवियरा लागून आज हे सगळें जाता एनवायरमेंट इज अ डिझास्टर हियर फिशरीज मिनिस्टर इज अ डिझास्टर हियर एवरीवेर यू गो दीज टू गायज आर लाईक आहाय मोहाय हे दोघंय एक आलेख सिकेर आणि एक नीलकंठ both of them are a disaster to Goa and both their departments are having problems wherever you go. Environment is having an issue, law is having an issue, and now if you see where fisheries is concerned, again environment is. So I think it is time that the chief minister has to take his decision. 25 lakhs amge botkarancher fine galpa mun decision घेता. I will request him. 25 lakhs is not an amount that a boatkar can put. This industry will collapse. मायनिंग ऑलरेडी कोलॅप्स जाली वयर काडपा पोतोन कितली टायम लागतो सगळ्यांनी चयलो हे इंडस्ट्री आमी जाम कश्यो 25 लाख फायन भरपा हेंको जावपाना सो वी हॅव टू कम टू अ सोल्युशन ग्राउंड रियलिटी जाण जावपाची गरज आहा आमी वयतले तेजे बरे बोटकारांगेन वयतले हांव सरपंचांकूय आपयतलो जे जे सरपंच लागू जाताय तांकांय आपयतलो आनी वी वील रिक्वेस्ट इन दीस 25 लॅक्स म्हणून आय थिंक दॅट इज नॉट द रायट डिसिजन फायन घालपा जाय penalty घालपा जाय डेडलायन दिवपा जाय बट 25 lakhs is not a sum that you will collapse the industry. So I think some decision has to be taken right. We will work with the sarpanch. We will ensure that our this area which is there right now immediate ये season आपको मैं ज़रा 3 त्रास रहना जाता हूँ. We will try to work.
Saisa Wala, and I think along with our honorable MLA, we have discussed with the people. And it's too much zaite basabas झाल्या. But finally we have to come to a conclusion that we will, as a panchayat, will put some guidelines on all these activities, such as toilets within a time frame, CCTV camera, therefore spraying for the painting for that has to be covered. When the boat are coming from Sogra Hobarnati, the boat pulling at the permission. South Goa, हुई boat pulling na. South Goa पांचशी बोटे आहे पांचशी बोटी तरी हाल्या आमी गाडी भाशेन गॅरेजी खंय वतलो ते बोट थिंग वताय सो कितें जाला थिंगा ओनरागे नेग्लिजन्स जाला वी हॅव एश्युअर्ड तेका आमी गायडलायन्स घातले आनी ते बारा बोटी बारा थोडे जण 4 जाण लेबर येतले नॉट सगळे सो दीज आर द थिंग्स एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स अबाउट other jetties also which came. That is, this meeting is only on how to help not to have another kind of outbreak. I am monitoring along with the MLA. We will get you the full details. See, I am expert no. Then who originate zala. As far as I know, that cases are decreased. Okay, त्या मुठाई बोटकार मुठाई तेंगेली भायर जाला हिंग उदकाचे जाल ना. So आमकां ते एकल्या कडेन उदो ना हिंगा. So that could be one of the reason he is operating. So I think a lot of things have come up. There were a lot of discussion in differences, but however we have come to the point which we have asked the meeting for on sanitation point of view. And as a sarpanch, along with the MLA, I assure you that we will work together to make sure that this such outbreak there are a lot of things. This business going for more than 30-40 years. I have cleaned it. I have taken 6 inspection. I am monitoring, but however certain things are not in my hand. But I assure that we will do something. There will be some result outcome.
Time frame कितने दोलना तुम्ही?
See, time frame within 2 days I will sit with them. See, I'm they can dictate केला terms. So we also have to see the suggestion from them because we don't know. Like example, बोट्यो आठ जाल्यारी 2 दीस पंचायता परमिशन घेवपा जाय. There will be some fee on that. मागीर दुसरें तेमकां आठ जाल्यार बोटी 4 boat at a time. So all those things we are not expert in that. We will work with them. See, finally आमगे गोंयकार ते. And we have to make sure that everybody's business survives, but not on the cost of the people. They have to boat owner ani. I think whatever is wrong. I mean, CM and they on inspection again. Itle par chalta. I think it's a wake up call. I think they are also. I read somewhere they are also cooperating, and they must be also utmost responsible for the labor.
On our application, that is shared now. We have not made party when appeal was going on. No, but then appeal, what he has done, there is one lady called Nafisa Sheikh. He has used that Nafisa Sheikh, that lady, to make another, see, first, that was the plan. The video with his official inspected side in our presence, in the presence of that Hussein, and they have identified the structures, and they said all structures are illegal. And they are structures for very bamboo and coconut leaves. So they said all structure illegal. Direction was given for demolition. So based on demolition, he went in the appeal. Appeal, we were not made party. And then that lady, then they were parse ADP. You tell me when you file an appeal, which are the documents are used to decide on the appeal, right? Which you got in the you cannot ask another to make another inspection. This itself is a violation of the process. Again, ADP got no jurisdiction because it is in Shahzad where ADP got jurisdiction. You understood, no?
Yeah.
See, all these things are involved in that. And finally, he is the report. On report now, only sketch.
Sure.
And sketch is 6 structures with house numbers. Other 6 structures with house numbers. What is the documentary evidence to say that these are the 6 structures with these house numbers? There is no documentary evidence. And these house numbers were given in 1979-80 in another property to the same Hussein. Hussein was doing that. His structures are still there. And these house numbers are given in 109. And they are used to protect illegal structures in 107. This is the height of the situation, what is there. And today, now recently, I'm telling you, recently the secretary went on all the documents and there was one direction from this. The issue here, issue here in Mogor fisheries, there is no permission from Shahzad. What they say, Shahzad provision speaks that you should have Shahzad permission before 1991 for commercial activity. Now he is doing commercial activity. My first point is, where is the Shahzad permission to conduct the Shahzad commission? Today, even my matter is in the court. Shahzad today cannot give him permission. But permission should be before 1991. So that is not there. If that is not there, he is subsequently whatever he does, whatever is done by the other government authority is illegal. Even Panchayat has given a permission. Panchayat is not authority.
सर सध्या केस पावली खंय तुगेल्या त्या
Now case is, see, there was direction in
NGD.
NGD said, decide the issue within 6 months. Till 2 years, however, matter has not been decided by the Shahzad. Shahzad is dodging, so we don't know what is the issue. Our advocate goes there and comes. Sometimes we got a message, even this thing, files has gone somewhere else.
पण हांगा CRZ खंय तरी हें करता Fixing.
It is fixing, favoring, no. And issue is, they cannot decide on the issue of those structures. I have produced documentary evidence. This structure had come in 1998 and not 1991. And that is also government document. I have produced saying that one structure was done in 1998. Another structure was done in 2017. Now he have office now. Done 2017, and Silver Fisheries has come in 2015. 2015, there was direction.